Good morning, Rutgers. My name is WeatherWatcher Leanne Byer. Happy to have everyone back on campus for fall 2022. We're looking at today's morning forecast for Tuesday, September 13th, 2022. Looking at the current conditions right now, we kind of have that post-shower feeling, so it's really sticky outside, not really pleasant to be out there. We're looking at partly sunny skies with a temperature of 79 degrees. We're looking at a dew point of about 69 degrees with a humidity of 72%. So like I said, really sticky out there, not really pleasant to be out there. Looking at the current temperatures, we have a hot spot here in New Brunswick and Toms River of 79 degrees, with a cool spot up in Sussex of about 70 degrees, with the rest of the state ranging in the mid-70s. Looking at our headlines for today and into the rest of the week, so we do have that chance of storms today, especially in the afternoon, but looking ahead for the rest of the week, we have no more rain chances this week, and it's about 9 days till autumn, so we will see, hopefully we will see some cooler temperatures start to rise. Looking at the current radar, like I said, we just had that post-shower feeling, so all the stuff that was just here in New Brunswick has moved about northeast up into Bridgeport and a little bit south of Boston. So now looking at the greater northeast, as you can tell, all of that stuff that just was in New Brunswick has moved north towards the Boston area, and we also are seeing some showers in both New Hampshire and Vermont. And if you look over here, we have some stuff that is just moving a little bit northeast of Cleveland and into the Canadian area. Looking at our day planner today, so at noon, we're going to see mostly cloudy skies with 77 degrees as our temperature. That's when we're going to see that chance of storms arise. But at 3 o'clock, that storm chance is going to pass, and we're going to see partly cloudy skies with a temperature of 81 degrees. Same conditions at 6 o'clock, but just looking at a lower temperature of 78 degrees. Looking at our futurecast, so again, talking about that chance of rain, we're going to see rain move into the tri-state area around 3 o'clock today, but everything clearing out around 8:30 tonight with no chance of rain for the rest of the week. We're going to see some rain surrounding New Jersey, but nothing really in the state itself. Looking at tonight's condition, we're going to have clear skies with a low temperature of 58 degrees, with the winds coming out of the west at about 5 to 10 miles an hour. Now to step aside for your 7-day forecast. So today we're going to have that 50% chance of storms with a high of 81 degrees. The rest of the week we're seeing mostly sunny conditions with temperatures ranging from mid-70s to lower 80s, except with the one hot spot on Monday with the high temperature of 89 degrees. Be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. My name is WeatherWatcher Leanne Byer. Thank you so much for tuning in this morning.